Habits of successful people. 5 main reasons why the rich get richer. They believe in themselves. They believe that they can win no matter what anyone says, and that belief inspires them to never give up. They take time to plan. As the saying goes, failing to plan is like planning to fail. It's about having a plan and seeing it through right to the end. They find solutions. Successful people think of solutions when there are problems. They take full responsibility and offer solutions instead of asking more questions. They take risks. Fortune always favors the bold. To be successful, you must take a risk. They realize that the biggest risk of all in life is never taking a chance in the first place. They are hungry for more. They have high expectations, demand excellence, and are never satisfied with the status quo. The difference is not about the money that they have in the bank, but the thoughts that run through their heads. As Bill Gates once said, if you are born poor, it's not your fault. But if you die poor, it is your fault.